SEC is cracking down on stablecoin BUSD and forcing them to classify their asset as securities. SEC also prohibits staking as a service in the US. It is obvious that this is only the beginning, and many coins will be deemed securities and not survive this. Today, I will tell you which coins, in my opinion, will not be deemed securities and have the potential to grow exponentially in the next bull cycle. My name is Den, and I'd remind you that I do not provide financial advice, but simply share my thoughts. You alone make decisions regarding your investments. We will determine which cryptocurrency is a security and which is not, using the table that I showed in my previous video. To understand how it works, watch that video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as this may help protect your portfolio from Gary Gensler. You are on Web3 Finance channel. Let's jump right in. The first crypto that definitely won't be a security is Bitcoin, which we already covered in our table. Bitcoin didn't have staking, private rounds, airdrops, which is not critical, and most importantly, there were no supply burns and public rounds. Bitcoin is the perfect example of a commodity in the world of cryptocurrency, not a security. The second coin that is likely not to be a security is ETH. Ethereum was mined for a long time and only recently switched to staking, transparently, and for the right reasons, to increase TPS and make the validation and production process of new ETH eco-friendly. They had a public round, but here's an important point. They were selling ETH for Bitcoins, and that radically changes the situation. I mentioned that a public round is what will almost certainly make a coin a security in the future. But if investors were giving BTC instead of stablecoins, that changes everything. In addition, the Ethereum ecosystem is the main player in the market, and its scale is so significant that the SEC is unlikely to put pressure on the ecosystem. Everything is done transparently and with truly good intentions. The third coin that will not be affected by regulation is the Chia network. In fact, this is the only example, apart from Bitcoin and its forks, that is completely immune to criticism. Chia, like Bitcoin, appears through mining. They had a private round, but investors still haven't received their coins, and the team is likely to distribute them only after the regulatory situation is clarified. Also, the team did not conduct airdrops, did not burn supply, and most importantly, no public sales. We'll talk more about Chia in future videos. Now let's move on to Bitcoin forks, and it's all straightforward with them. They will be fine, just like Bitcoin itself. But I promised 5 coins, and to keep that promise, I'm naming 2 more coins. These are Litecoin and Dogecoin. As for Dogecoin, a good indicator here is Elon Musk. He understood perfectly well that regulation would come to the market, and he knew the criteria as well. That's why he chose Dogecoin for his manipulations. It doesn't matter to him whether it's a meme coin or a fundamental coin. The main thing is that there are no questions about this cryptocurrency from the SEC, and the billionaire knows where to apply it and how to push the price up. He sent Tesla to space, and I'm sure he can do the same with Dogecoin. I believe that these 5 coins will not be recognized as securities, and when the regulator cracks down on half or more of the market, these cryptocurrencies will also decrease in value. But in the long term, on the next bull trend, these 5 coins have great potential for growth, and a lot of liquidity from future securities will move into these 5 cryptocurrencies. Write in the comments which other coins could skyrocket on the market with the arrival of strict regulation. Let's discuss this. Also, subscribe to the channel and all social media. Links are in the channel header and channel description. There is a lot of practical information there that allows you to earn more. See you in the next video.
Thank you.